Hello everyone, welcome to another EA FC 24 tutorial video and guide. Now in this video, I will show you how to do Marcus Rashford celebration in EA FC 24. Now if you want to see more videos on EA FC 24, check out our channel for more and let's get started with the tutorial. So as you can see, this is basically the Marcus Rashford signature celebration that is now on FC 24. Now right here, as you can see it right here. Very amazing, celebration that you can actually do in FC 24. So basically, as you can see, to initiate this on PS5 or PS4, you need to hold L2 and press square button twice. Especially if you're playing with Marcus Rashford, if you scored a goal, this will work well. On Xbox Series, you X or S, right? You need to hold the LT button and press X button twice. And on Nintendo Switch, if you're playing on Nintendo Switch, you hold L and press Y button twice. Now, this is basically a celebration from, like famous celebration that was in victory against Wolves in December 2022. So that's basically the celebration behind the victory from Marcus Rashford. So basically, if you want more videos like this, where I am explaining how to do a certain celebration in EA FC 24, you can check out our channel for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.